hella desperate. I don't even feel like putting you in. Tries to steal the show. It's this twinkle star sprite and his candle on in the daylight. You're just stealing birds' flap. Give Flappy Birds credit already. Anyways, back to our programming. Oh! What's this shit? Better, is it time to run as soon as I get here and sell your twat? Get that fucking stupid ass fucking license, man. So all these bitches saying your stupid shit. Yeah. Stupid little bitches who wanna be in a group and shit. You can't fucking 1v1. It's your little fucking license plate. These fucking hoes trying to be in my life and shit. Nothing's fucking ending when I get there. Nothing's starting when I fucking start either. Bitches get nothing to fucking do with me. Little fake ass nigga. Anyways, that's the gangstock shit. Let's take this shit to these bitches' faces. Try to act like they're not doing no gangstock shit. There's even some sex trafficking weirdo shit too. Ho. Get these losers on the fucking camera trying to drop a fucking hammer and shit. All bitches pretending they just get it at school. All these fucking liars. Fucking liars. They're fucking camera lenses. All these little fucking stupid little brat ass bitches are camera lenses. They're fucking here. They're draining our fucking free time by fucking staring in our direction in 360 to fucking nigger ass degrees. They should have been aborted. My fucking ass trying to play innocent after being a fucking sex trafficking hoe ass bitch. Just telling the truth. Get that fucking shit away from me. If you're a germ filthy like AIDS, abortion and divorce. Wanna spy on me, bitch? Deportation! No, abortion, divorce, deport. Friday. Slam the dick in your door, back to sender. Friday. License plate uploaded, complete. Friday. I know where you live this winter. That ain't it, 2-second boop boop. That ain't it, 2-second boop boop. That ain't it, that ain't it. Weed! I didn't know lies of this fucking week, DJ. 2025, setting a fucking record. My shit's just better than that. Anyways, back to my programming. Bitch, you need to pay up. Think we getting away with some shit that's hilarious and shit? Make sure they pay up, that's it. You act stupid. Every single time I ever cross the street, they want to make me cross the street with a fucking bike. But I started doing this shit. It's fucking. Want to give me a bright light and a fucking narc on a bike? Give me a loud revving engine, bitch. The whole world loud revving beat. Fake ass traffic ass bitches and shit. All these little white ass cars and shit. Fake traffic bitches and shit. There ain't nothing going nowhere. There's nothing over there. They're fucking liars. They want to hit somebody with a car and then fucking try to gain off that shit. Someone's getting paid for that shit. Someone's gonna clean up that shit. Maybe no one gets paid for that shit. Whatever the fuck it is, definitely slows bitches shit down and lets people get paid for everything because they're little bitches like that. They like that shit. Some little obnoxious ass light fucking update on whatever .0 where every time you fucking try to cross the street, you fucking ended up waiting in some fucking little weird ass way for these little other cars to come across the street on the other side. So it's a never ending fucking little racist bullshit. But we built the fucking stoplight, so I'm gonna tell you like that. Yeah. So we try to do witchcraft. Stupid ass courthouse. Make sure you forget nobody in there that's not inside a freaking devil worshiper or whatever. Swear we just need to get all your stupid license plate for sure. All of them. Vroom, vroom, ready to rev. You feel safe on Friday to Sunday because you can't get ported at the police face to face. Gotta stay freaking little like sell your twat Disneyland over here until Monday 8:30 I think. Then they try to pretend like they was not breaking the law. It's a repetitive cycle. Expect them to go nuts Friday to Sunday, just about Monday 8:30 a.m. when you're about to see face to face when I report that ass to Popo. Be like they quit around 8:59 or no 8:29 or something on a freaking Monday morning, basically. The fucking little bitches. Just telling you what it is. Expect bitches that they get slick and shit. Think they gonna fucking harass bitches and shit. Hear that motor and you gonna fucking support, tell the highway patrol get on that shit today. They're gonna be hiding fucking somewhere, probably causing crimes on fucking Friday to Saturday until they get fucking Monday until they get their fucking bullshits. Cause like face to face, you don't fucking report their ass. Now they fucking hide this stupid little window and shit. They did this shit with COVID-19. That's how they fucking kill everybody and shit. Put a little window, we stop the fucking everything we need and shit. Just in case there's somebody we need, then fucking make sure you get that information to. We start getting weird and fucking stupid shit. Start talking about COVID-19, doing dumb, evil, devil worshiper, dumb shit. Killing mom, dog, house, sex trafficking in your fucking house. Any kind of little fucking excuse. Had this shit on COVID-19 alert. I can't fucking let anybody do what they need to do. I can kill your mom, dog, and cat and shit. Be a little Ku Klux Klan-y fucking gay Mexican mafia, bitch. That's what that shit is. I don't even talk to these bitches. These bitches is fucking dropping Super Bowls out of their asses. Full of shit. I'm damn near trying to sue somebody in the Super Bowl. Not if it ain't even that motherfucker. Or it'd be the fucking organization that's having them fucking try to, whatever the fuck that is. And then I don't know if it's their fan base. And we don't know if it's their fucking, what the fuck that is. Might not even be the motherfucker. But whoever the fuck that motherfucker's connected to is the reason why I don't even fuck with that motherfucker altogether. And I'm like, I was just being nice to this bitch. And it's not even like this is a bitch. It mostly is because like whatever the fuck that witchcraft is, motherfucking, yeah, bet you that one motherfucking supposedly a billionaire, right? Getting $1 billion little witchcraft shit. And I see some little bitch try to talk to somebody and give them $4 million last night. The highest I've ever fucking seen anybody give anything away was like almost fucking under that. I was like, what the fuck? So yeah, it's like, she's just breaking world record and shit. So I was like, whatever. Anyways, that's what they're doing. They're selling twats for $4 million. Even if it's not even five pennies and shit. But yeah, bitches selling twats for $4 million and shit. The dream girl and shit. Like this cover girl inside of the freaking video game. I don't wanna fucking spoil it, but oh, this was like $4 million to play. Or to get hit by a car by some little fucking organization trying to kill everybody and shit. These bitches gonna suck it though. I don't think I'm gonna go up in here and try to actually use this bitch. Do I need it? Just got these little fucking demo bitches like fucking annoy me. But oh yeah, maybe we can get noises anyway. So we fucking hoes up. Let's see. The only reason this place is acting like that, because it's just recorded. Because you saw some shit, but nah. They be fucking doing nothing but fucking fart, cough, harass, everything. Every single thing these bitches can even do. So that's fucking, that's all that shit is. So they gonna try to pretend they cool and shit. Because they on fucking candid camera. That is all. Because they caught. Turn it off. Back to they spearmint rhino way.